Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today we're gonna take a look at the women's Air Max Plus in the light crimson colorway. Let's get into it. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you have the orange box, you got the large Nike logo. So let's take a look at it. What we have is the women's Air Max Plus in light crimson, black, and white. Now this is from the Ultra Film Pack. Hopefully I'm saying it right, but we'll see. Now I don't know the release date on these. I think they came out already, but they came through the pipeline, so I had to bring y'all the footage, you hear me? But I think it's a nice little touch for the ladies. I know y'all probably saying, man, you do a lot of shoes for women and kids, and I mean, it is what it is, man. Men not the only ones that wear sneakers, man. You know what I'm saying? So I try to reach out to a broader audience. You know what I mean? So if you can't respect that, man, I don't know what to tell you. You know what I mean? I got to do it for the ladies too, man. Now under the bottom, you see you got the black and the light crimson with a little bit of white under it. Nice little colors, you know. You got the TN Air patch under the bottom. Looking at it from the side. Now on that toe box, you have like something like a reptile print or whatever. I don't know what it is, you know what I'm saying? But there's a look at the medial side. I'm not gonna get too technical. Y'all already know I don't do the technical specs and the history and all that of the shoes, man. I'm just giving y'all a look at it because I'm trying to look out for my people, you know what I'm saying? Now, like I said, looking at the shoe, you see you have that little fade that goes under the shoe. I don't know if you can see it, hopefully you do. Now looking at the other one, man, everything is identical. There's no difference between the two. On the inside, you can see you got engineered for all day, everyday comfort. Now, something about this insole, man. Now they have this soft little cushion in the middle, man. Like, I'm not familiar with this. I haven't seen this in any Air Max. See, when you press it, it leaves that print and then it slowly comes up. You know what I mean? I think that's a nice little touch, man. Now let me know if you noticed this in other Air Maxes. You know what I mean? And let me know what's up, man, because, you know, I didn't see this. You know what I'm saying? So getting back to the shoe. Like I said, both of them are identical. There's no difference. Like I say, man, I think it's a dope shoe, man. I'm feeling it. You know, now I'm not saying that this is dope for me. You know what I mean? But for a woman's shoe, I think it's hot. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling it? You're not? Now I'm not sure when these came out or whatever the case is. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. You can see that when you look at the tongue with your Nike Air and kind of like your reptile print on it. Like I say, man, look, I'm feeling the shoe. You know what I mean? So I look forward to seeing my shorty in these, you know what I'm saying? So we can go ahead and keep it moving. Oh yeah, man, y'all stay tuned to the end of the video too, because we're gonna do our own foot. Of course, it's not me. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go ahead and get into it, man. So let me know what y'all think about it, man. This is my review of the Nike Air Max Plus in the light crimson colorway. Dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go ahead and make sure y'all follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. Subscribe to this channel. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. You know what I'm saying? Get in the comments, man. Let me know what you think about these kicks. Let's get into this on foot and I'ma holler back.